Welcome to the elimination method. Find the winner of the election using the elimination method. We just look at how many first place votes each person got. We eliminate the person that had the lowest number. Let's figure out how many Athena has. She's got 76 plus 45. That's it. She has 121. Camilla has 66. Inez has 25 plus 68. And Naomi has none. We disqualify Naomi. We just take her right out of the running. We look for who has the least number of first place, and that's Camilla. Camilla's first place goes to the next person in line. Her first place goes to Inez. We'll just say Inez is going to get her old points plus Camilla's points. Camilla has 0. Athena still has the 121. Naomi still has 0. In order to win, you just have to have more than 50%. Is equal to the sum of all of the votes. If we have 280, let's just see. This is going to be 121. Out of the 280, I want to lock onto the H6 horizontally. I'm going to put a dollar sign between the H and the 6. Then multiply by 100 to make it into a percent. Then I'm going to fill that down. In the first case, Athena only had 43%. So she was in the lead, but she didn't have enough to win. You have to have more than 50%. Now Inez has 56%, so she has enough to win. So we can stop there. If neither of them had 50%, we'd have to do it again. In this case, Inez wins. So I'm going to put Inez right here. I'm just going to copy her from here and put her name there beside the winner. Let's try that one more time. We're looking for the number of first places. Ariella has the 20. Lisa has the 21. Ellen just has the 4. Let's just see what the percentages are. Is equal to the sum of all the votes. First place votes is 45. 20 out of 45 with a dollar sign to lock onto that horizontally times 100. That gives us 44%. Let's fill that down. We have 46%, 8%. So no one has over 50%. Ellen is going to give her votes to Ariella. Ariella is going to have her old votes plus Ellen's votes. Lisa is going to just be 21, and Ellen is going to be 0. Let's see what this is. So instead of F2, I'm just going to change the F to a G. Fill that down. Ariella now has 53%, so Ariella wins. So I'm going to copy her name and paste her in the winner box. Here's another example of the elimination method. We are going to look at Alia, how many first choice votes she has. She has 12 here and 59 there. Brianna has 23 here. Catherine has 52. Sophia has 45 plus 60, which is 105. And the person with the lowest first choice votes loses theirs to the next person in line after them. Brianna is going to give hers to Catherine. Catherine is going to be Brianna's plus hers. Brianna is going to be 0. Aaliyah is going to continue being 71. And Sophia is going to be 105. The problem is we don't really have 50% yet. Nobody has over 50%. Let's just see what the votes total up to. The sum of all votes is 251. Half of 251 is 125.5. So no one has over 125.5. We could easily just say 71 divided by 251. Lock horizontally onto the 251 onto the cell I6 times 100. And fill that down. And here I'm just going to fill the sum of the column across like that. So we can see that this all adds up to 100% as we'd expect, but nobody has over 50%. We're going to do it again. So the lowest number of votes is Aaliyah. She has 71. And her votes go to Brianna and Brianna, but Brianna has 0. In that case, they go down to Catherine. Catherine has 75. Aaliyah's votes here go down to Catherine is equal to Catherine plus, it's only just 12 of those, so plus 12. Aaliyah's other votes go to, not to Brianna, but to Sophia. Sophia is going to have plus the 59. 164. So Aaliyah now has 0 votes and Brianna has 0 votes. Let's figure out the percents. Click on the arrow key to get it going. Instead of J, we're going to go to K2, this column, and then fill that down. We can see that Sophia now has 65%, so she ends up winning. E equals Sophia, or you can copy Sophia's name, paste it here, or you can type it in. All right, and that's the elimination method. Have a good day.